All right, let's learn how to add and subtract complex numbers. We'll begin with addition. Let's add these two complex numbers and write our answer in standard form. Now, when adding complex numbers, we begin in a similar manner as we do when we add polynomials, namely by combining like terms. However, let's first begin by removing these parentheses here. That is, this is equal to 2 minus 3i minus 4 plus 5i. Now the 2 and the negative 4 are like terms, as well as the negative 3i and 5i. So let's combine them. That is, this is equal to 2 minus 4, which is negative 2, and then negative 3i plus 5i is 2i. And so this would be our answer here. In fact, in general, we have the following formula. That when adding two complex numbers, a plus bi plus c plus di, we add the real parts, so a plus c, and then we add the imaginary parts, so b plus di. All right, what about subtraction? Let's subtract these two complex numbers and write our answer in standard form. Again, we'll begin by removing these parentheses. However, we need to be really careful here that we distribute this negative or negative 1 to both of these terms. That is, this is equal to 7 plus 5i minus 1, and then minus a negative 2i is plus 2i. Again, we'll combine like terms. The 7 and negative 1 are like terms, as well as the 5i and 2i. So combining these gives us 7 minus 1, which is 6, and then 5i plus 2i is 7i, which would be our answer. Again, in general, when subtracting two complex numbers, a plus bi minus c plus di, we subtract the real parts, a minus c, and then we subtract the imaginary parts, so b minus di. All right, and this is how we add and subtract complex numbers. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.